All right. I need a 0 for silence. Everyone show me your zeros. Awesome. Good job, Cynthia. Good job, Matt. Thank you very much. You guys are on it. All right, so for math today, we are going to be working on 2-step word problems, okay? So this is something that we have started, so we've done it a little bit. I know that some of you guys are still like, Mrs. Loring, like, I'm just not really there yet, but that's okay, because we're going to do a lot of practice, okay? We're going to be practicing until we all get it, okay? All right, so this is our word problem that we are going to work on today. So let me just read it to you, okay? Gina has 2 boxes of candy bars. The first box has 12 candy bars. The second box has 24 candy bars. She shares all the candy bars equally with 9 people. How many candy bars does each person get? All right, so let's think about this. There's some key terms that we want to look at, some important information that maybe we should circle that's going to help us to get through this 2-step word problem. What do you think is important? Just take a second and think. I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Yes, Max, what do you think is important? The numbers, right? So let's go ahead and we are going to put a box. I'm going to put a box around our numbers. So we have the number 2, the number 12, the number 24, and the number 9, right? So we know in math, numbers are always important, okay? So there's something else. There's a few other things that are important that's going to help us to get through this 2-step word problem. So I'm just going to point them out for you. Okay, so we are going to put a box around shares. I think shares is a very important word that we need to pay attention to. Equally. Equally is an important word. Also, each. Okay, so each is an important word in this word problem. Okay? All right. So let's just read it over again. Gina has 2 boxes of candy bars. The first box has 12 candy bars. The second box has 24 candy bars. She shares all the candy bars equally with 9 people. How many candy bars does each person get? Okay, so first of all, why is this called a 2-step word problem? Does anybody remember? Yes, sweetie. Yeah, we have 2 steps. So 2 things that we are going to do to find the answer, okay? So first we know that Gina has 2 boxes. So let's just draw that right here. So we have our 2 boxes. Okay, in our first box, we have 12 candy bars. Okay, in our second box, we have 24 candy bars. Okay, so we need to find out how many candy bars in total does Gina have. Perfect, we are going to add them up. All right? So we already know our addition. 12 plus 24 is 36. So we know in total, Gina has 36 candy bars, okay? So let's continue reading. She shares all the candy bars equally with 9 people. How many candy bars does each person get? Okay, so we are going to use a tape diagram to find out the second part of our word problem, okay? So 9 people. So let's draw a tape diagram with the 9 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we need 1 more. So 9. So now we have our tape diagram with 9 boxes. Okay? So remember, we have 36 candy bars. So we're going to start giving each person a candy bar until we run out of candy bars, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue back because we ran out of boxes, right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, okay? So we gave all 36 candy bars out. So let's see how many candy bars we have in one box of our tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4. So what does our question ask us? How many candy bars does each person get? 4, right? Okay, so let's check our work. We can look at our tape diagram, and we know that we can use multiplication or division to solve this, right? Because if we have 9 and 4 in each one, 9 times 4, what is 9 times 4? Yes, good. You guys have been practicing those multiplication tables, and you got this. So 9 times 4 equals 36. How can we show this in division? Does anybody know? No, that's okay. We're still working on that one. So we know if we have 36 and we divide it by 9, what's 36 divided by 9? 4. Okay, so we were able to check over our work using multiplication and division. All right, so now you guys are going to practice this together in pairs, okay? So you guys are going to couple up, and I'm going to give you a new word problem that you're going to work on together. And as I'm walking around, I want to hear you guys talking about it, figuring it out together, and do not be scared to, Mrs. Loring, I need help, come here, because that's what I'm here for, okay? All right, let's do this.